I'm putting my shoes on. And we got a bike build to get through on the new daylight frame. So let's go get our special guest right now. How was work, love?
Fucking horrible. Everything works out. Alright, let's go.
Where? Oh, the U-bar? What's that? Oh, that's like the cardboard. You just put your phone in it.
This is the cardboard?
Yeah. So like you get the 360 view. You can use it if you want.
Are you watching your phone?
Of course, dude. There's no other way. Once you go for it, there's never going back.
Once you go to the art, where can we do this?
We can do.
We need like a table, like so we can set the bike on.
Like those two boards. Or the gray one? Yeah. Revolution. You ever have a smell and body? Yeah. Dude, that's we need spacers, so we need to go get spacers. Does it smell like pina colada?
It smells like weed in here. Oh shit.
Anything you want to say?
Later.
We didn't finish the bike yet, but it's on the way, and my hands are really greasy, and we ate Wingstop, and he's gonna go into a food coma. But so far, this is the bike. We still need to put the chain on, and we need to fix this brake, because every time you turn it, I don't want to explain it.
Fuck.
Yeah. Alright. See you, lovebird. Alright, this next clip you're about to see, I got a retainer in, but I'm going to leave it in. But anyway, this next clip you're about to see, this is my friend Deether. If you've been watching the videos, you saw him on the toilet last episode. I filmed this because he wanted me to, and I'm throwing it into the video right here. Okay, hey guys, so I'm not filming a video yet, but this guy wanted me to film him and continue the tradition, but I don't know what video I'm gonna throw this in. I don't know what clip this is gonna be in for whatever video he just wanted me to film, so here you go.
I'll call you back, bros. Take a shower.
No, you're not. You're lying.
No, I swear, I'll call you back.
Okay, I love you.
Should I go down more?
Kiss me.
Alright, later. Love you, man. Love you. I love you. Dude, say it back.
I love you.
Love you.
I love you.
Alright, I'll call you back.
Bye, loser. Yeah, you look cute, Jenny. Alright. Anyway. What you see right here? This is the new daylight frame right here. This is the new daylight frame. This is the new bike build. Everything on this bike is new as we speak. I'll go over a rundown of this right here. And the video of the first ride will be coming up. That's going to be a separate video right there. Technically it's the second ride, The first ride I didn't really push it because my chain was super loose and it took us a while to fix up. But the first ride where I actually pushed the bike and tried to do stuff will be going up on the channel next week. Sorry for lagging, but let's go through a part rundown right now. Alright, we got DXR, Shimano cranks, these are 180s. We got Shimano pedals, we got Supercross seat, daylight seat clamp, daylight seat posts. We got Supercross bars, Supercross forks, daylight headset, Pro Max stem, Pro Max brake, V-brake, Pro Max brake lever, box brake cable, Alienation wheels, it's radial laced. We got stealth hubs, we got Airson tires, we got a Renin crank, and some random chain. Got ODI grips, got a box number plate, and I think that's it. That's the whole rundown on the bike. Dude, I love this bike so much. I've been getting some manuals in on the new track. Feels so good. This is a Pro XL frame. And if you're looking into getting into BMX racing, I'm like 5'5", 5'6". I'm riding a Pro XL with 20 by 1.75 on the back tire, 20 by 1.95 on the front tire. And yeah, if you think you're going to get into racing and you're my size, I suggest a Pro XL. And racing's pretty fun. And if you got the money for it, I suggest this frame because this frame is dope as fudge. Sorry, I don't want to cuss. But anyway, this frame is dope as fudge. And yeah, I really like this bike. Stay tuned next week. Come back next week for the ride on this bike. Thanks for watching.